In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change your location on Google Chrome vertical bar, easy tutorial. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. Once you are there, use the search bar to look for a reputable VPN provider. Some common examples include NordVPN, VPN Proxy Master, or Hide My IP. When choosing an extension, take a moment to make sure it looks trustworthy. Check the name carefully and avoid installing random extensions that do not seem reliable. After you find the VPN extension you want to use, click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome will then ask you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to continue. Give it a few moments to download and install. Once the extension is added, you will usually see it appear in your browser. Next, open the extension by clicking the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of Chrome. This opens the Extensions menu, where you can access your installed tools. Select your VPN extension from the list so you can launch it. At this point, you may need to log in, depending on the VPN service you chose. If the extension requires an account, sign in and continue to the main dashboard. From there, you can usually choose a country or server location. Pick the location you want Chrome to use. Once your location is selected, click Connect or press the power button inside the extension. That covers everything you need to know.